Another vlog, a day in the life of Seanland, property developer. Today we're up north. It's going to take us a couple of hours to drive there. So we're in the BMW iX, baby. Love this baby. Do you know what? It's fully electric, gives you 280 miles. They get us there and back, but I'll find a petrol station that will charge us up fast as well. You've got to be kind to the environment, and second of all, it's a tax deductible. And I'll be going through some more tax efficient ways in some of my other videos as well. Check out the back, you can see the fire strips and you can see a few materials that I'm buying. Unfortunately it was too expensive in Peterborough, so I ended up sourcing some material here, and it actually saved me about £700 on some gum locks, some cylinders, fire strips, hinges, door closers. Like, these are all safety regulations for a HMO, which is a housing and multiple occupancy. When you've got more than 3 unrelated people living together, you need extra safety features around the house, and that's what we're going to go and deliver today, because we've got someone fitting some doors over there. So we're actually converting this house from a single dwelling house to a 4-bed HMO. This guy who I'm going to be giving it to has got a solid contract with the council, so he'll be able to pay me nicely, make his change, and it's actually a better investment for me in the future, because HMOs are actually worth more, and that's what it's all about. Taking something off the market, look after it, revamping it, re-regulating it, and make more money. And that's what we're here to do. Who doesn't like money? We all like money, baby. So yeah, I'm really excited. The weather's looking really good. The sun's out. Meet some people from Peterborough. Gonna go and probably eat some nice food. So in this vlog you'll be able to see any nice restaurant. I'm with my boy Jazz as well, my main guy. So let's treat him to some food as well, because my guy's been working super hard, being consistent. As we're gonna be going to Peterborough, I'll show you how to systemize and automize property up north. So when you're 2 hours away,
yeah. So now what we've done is, there used to be a light here. So basically there used to be where the permit used to be here, but the only way to make that work in the smoke alarm with the interlink was to change it to a sensor light. So now we made that permanently on. The only thing obviously is the lighting place, but it is what it is. It's like in the kitchen. We also obviously flip that switch, this will come on. So I'll show you how that'll work. So when it comes to it, the HMO, when it comes to it, they say what happens when you get a bit of a power cut. So you kill the power. If you see, these will come on at 50%. You don't see when you're in the dark, 50%, but it's enough to obviously get them out. So then the next thing they'll probably ask is the interlink of smoke alarms. So you see how clean it all looks?
yeah, it looks clean.
Instead of, otherwise you'd have to trunk all the way through, get the cables all the way from that point to that point to that point to that point.
So you know, I don't want your carpenter to get confused.
I'll get you to have a look at it anyway, just to make sure.
Some are white, some of them are brown. The building shop left it. So when I got back to Romford, I was like, if I can put it in the car.
Yeah.
Get my son to watch it. He's 11, isn't it? And he's like, he just wanted these McDonald's, bro. So I just quickly went screw fix. This all comes as a set door. Yeah, and then the cylinder, and then also they have 2 hinges per door. So that's the cylinder, obviously from the outside, thumb lock.
So what obviously with the doors, what we were saying, I was going to leave those ones down upstairs.
Yeah, inside yeah.
So fire door here, fire door on these, fire door in the room.
One, is it just one here, right?
Yeah, it's just one door here.
Yeah, so 1, 2,
So 5.
Yeah, 5.
5. Electrically covered.
6,
7.
7 and 8.
Yeah, 8 doors. That's what we did. And what also was a hinge, is I put this emergency bulkhead, that we got, because obviously put the exit sign here.
Yeah.
But the problem is this roof,
Yeah.
usually they arch all the way down. So but the walls is 6 meters square.
Yeah, downstairs is 11.6 square. What are you saying, guys? XOXO. We're about to check out what the food's saying in here with my main guy Umar. If you want your electrics done, your any building work, you gotta hit him up, man.
Hit us up.
He's showing me one of the best places to eat. He goes up and down the country, you say?
You can't beat the takeaways in people, right? You can't beat it.
There you go. So we're at PE1. Let's check it out, man. We'll give you a good honest review of this one. Fantastic day. We're back on the motorway heading back to London right now. Do you know what, even before we just switched this camera on, we just got a little phone call. So first of all, I spoke to a few of my editors on a few of the other productions, a few of the courses that we got coming out. So we done an in-person Airbnb course and we showed people how to use the platform. But yeah, another call done. Like, now you see a day in the life, man. Yeah, we had some nice food today. We sat with good people today and it was a really, really good day. And what finished it off was this lovely, lovely, beautiful weather. Until next time, we'll see you then. And yeah, there's loads more coming on this channel. We've got 5 videographers, 5 editors working with us currently. So we're gonna keep blasting out the content. So make sure you smash the subscribe button, share this with somebody who needs us, drop us a comment too. Peace.